Alright, let's be real for a second. A toilet isn't usually something you brag about to your friends. Until now. The WITMYA TC02 Smart Toilet isn't just a toilet. It's more like a luxury gadget that just happens to live in your bathroom. Heated seats, auto flush, foam shield technology, foot sensors, even an LED screen. It sounds like something from the future. But is it actually worth the hype? Let's break it down. The first thing you notice is how sleek this thing looks. It's a one-piece tankless design, so it instantly makes your bathroom feel more modern and uncluttered. No bulky tank, no leaks to worry about. Just a clean, minimalist shape that honestly feels more like a high-end appliance than plumbing. Now, here's something I really liked: the seat. It's not the standard narrow seat you usually find. It's widened for comfort. And once you sit down, that heated surface, oh man. Imagine it's winter, the tiles are freezing, and then you sit on a seat that's perfectly warm. 3 levels of adjustable heat make sure it's always right where you want it. So, what makes this smart? For starters, the auto dual flush system. It knows when to give a full flush and when a lighter one will do, saving water without making you think about it. And if the power goes out, no worries. There's a manual side knob to keep it running. Then there's the foam shielded technology. This is clever. It creates a foam layer that stops splashes and keeps things quieter and cleaner. Honestly, once you've tried it, it's hard to go back. And of course, the bidet functions are the star of the show. You get multiple modes: feminine wash, rear wash, even a massage cleaning option. The nozzle cleans itself automatically, and after the wash, you don't need toilet paper. The built-in warm air dryer takes care of that. It's clean, comfortable, and feels almost spa-like. Now here's where the TC02 starts to feel truly futuristic. There's a foot sensor, so if your hands are full, you can flush without touching a thing. The lid even opens and closes automatically on some models. Pair that with a wireless remote, and suddenly your bathroom trip feels more like using a high-tech chair than a toilet. The LED display on the side shows your seat and water temperature, so you always know exactly what's happening. And yes, it even lights up at night. One reviewer said the glow looked like a Cancun ocean blue, which makes those late-night bathroom visits way less of a stumble in the dark. Let's talk about the good and the not-so-good. The pros? Comfort, hygiene, and style are unbeatable. The heated seat, warm water bidet, and air dryer really do replace toilet paper in the best way possible. Foam shield keeps things cleaner, and the whole setup feels like a serious upgrade to daily life. The cons? Well, installation isn't as simple as dropping in a regular toilet. You'll need access to both water and a power outlet. And while the design is compact, this is still a premium product with a premium price tag. But from what customers are saying, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And speaking of customers, the reviews have been glowing. People describe it as a total game changer, next level, and even falling in love with a toilet. One buyer joked they chat with it like it's their new best friend. Another said it transformed their bathroom into a luxury spa. Sure, a few mentioned delivery hiccups or needing some help with setup, but overall the feedback is clear. This thing does what it promises, and then some. So here's the bottom line. The WITMYA TC02 isn't just a toilet. It's a daily luxury upgrade. If you've ever thought, why would I spend this much on a toilet? You'll understand the moment you sit down and feel that warm seat or use the bidet. It saves water, it keeps things cleaner, and it honestly makes one of the most ordinary parts of life feel kind of extraordinary. If you're thinking about making the jump into smart home living, this might be the most unexpected but satisfying upgrade you'll ever make. Would you put a smart toilet like this in your home, or do you think it's just too much tech for the bathroom? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear where you stand on this one. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.